Hi. Trader here again. I'm with my brother Cletus. Anyways,
It's Shmebby Lock now. I evolved. Why? Oh, you're standing on a gun.
Shmebby Lock.
You. Lock.
Shmebby Lock.
Shmeb as in Shmeb. You as in you. And lock as in that thing on doors when you're going in. It bounces when I jump.
Anyways, we're playing Animal Company.
Check it out, it bounces
play
when I jump.
Lethal Company.
It's bouncing when I jump.
So yeah, welcome back to another Lethal Company video. Yeah. Playing other Lethal Company video. Stop burning me. Yeah, we're playing Lethal Company.
Animal Company.
But yeah, we're playing other Lethal Company video. But yeah, we
Wait, what's it sound like? Oh, I have one more bullet in there, dickhead.
It only takes one bullet.
Who do you both think he is, Rango?
What the fuck is this? I mean,
my butthole.
Fuck.
Woo!
What the hell? I need a flashlight. I should bring a flashlight. Hold on, bring a flashlight. This one. So I don't lose it. And it floats away. Yeah! Oh, dark me. Ah, fuck! I already don't like in here because of you.
I can hear you in call and
Oh shit. I don't like in here already.
What you mean, bro?
It's dark.
Whoa! Burn it! Burn it! Why is it yelling like that? All I did was set it on fire.
I don't know.
So shut up. Pipe.
This reminds me of some place that we know.
No, we've never been anywhere like this before.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Name one place we've been at. Looks
why
like
is
this.
it two of you? Get up!
Wait, I regret my decision, I regret.
Wait. Stop moving, bitch. Yeah!
Big mom!
He ran out of ammo. I'm on fire!
Oopsie poopsie. Gun.
The fuck is that? Take that one. This one.
Nana.
Don't do that.
Bitch, this is empty.
The fuck? Alan.
Okay.
We are so fucked. Oh, ammo. You farted.
First try.
Oh shit! Don't do this to me. I fell. Let's go. My neck hurt.
Say your neck hurts.
Yeah, my neck hurts. Oh look, it's lean. It's not lean.
I'm supposed to be the scariest the last time we went down there. Or a place like that. Rather. Alright, check it.
What the f? Wait, I'm not dead.
Stop. No, you are very much dead. You died. Son of a...
bitch.
Ooh, ooh.
I didn't even fall over. I'm just locked in.
Oh man.
Alright.
Wait. Okay.
Shit.
Now bring the flashlight and the gun. I bring the flashlight and the gun.
Where's your bag at, dickweed?
Where's your bag at?
Right. What the? Asshat.
I'm bringing the gun.
Bring both. You have a book bag.
Nah. It's a museum or something. It's a bunch of lean over here. Ah! It's bad. Hey! You got it?
I have to poop. Every time.
Hold it in.
If I get a jump scared, I'm actually gonna poo-poo myself. Take your flashlight back.
You drop it in the ground. It's in the
No, it didn't.
ground.
It's right there.
It's in the oh.
There's lean everywhere. A little bit of radiation. Radiation.
What's this?
Oh, dog, I got a poo-poo.
Let's see what's go over here. It's over here. I'm curious now. What the hell is that? What's this? Kindly remove your shoes, backpacks, and other gear before entering. Fine. Place was weird. There's nothing so far. Okay, I'm stuck. Okay.
Trader, come in, Trader.
Come in.
Where you at?
I'm coming back. Hold on. Yo. Hey, yo, brother mans. Ah! Shoot your ass. I went to this elevator, dinky bobber. Drop your weapon. Drop your stuff. Backpacks, everything. Everything. Seriously.
Or what? What are they gonna do?
Please don't.
Come on.
What's that? Can't stop you. Oh, I found a weird hallway, but it's kind of creepy, so I wanted someone to come with me. And then you showed up. So, wanna go down there?
You know.
What the hell is this?
Core room surveillance, that's what it is. Spam reactor.
Oh! What did I do?
What did you do?
I don't know. But
Oh, you fucked it.
Jesus, lag. It gets to a point.
Sorry, I'm really gassy. Look at the industrial shredder.
Oh! I got a funny idea. Oh no. That was pretty funny. I'll do it too.
You missed it. Oh, shit. Your body went back in there.
Oh no!
Come on,
No!
I got this. Come here.
Oh no! Help!
Look at this.
Ah!
Okay, let's go. Just trust.
Help!
Why don't you bounce?
I'm trying.
Your body weighs like a brick.
Come on! Yes! Oh,
Ow.
you're bleeding. You're bleeding. You should like it
I think
out.
I'm fine. Am I red to you?
No, but you're green. But you're bleeding.
No, it's green goo.
No, it's red.
It's green.
I wanna go back and get my gun in that hole over there.
You're gonna get it.
Like going down the hole, we might get some good stuff out. So let's go. See you down there. Woohoo! Shit. Let's go. Oh,
Get some.
zero. Bum bum. Got a bum.
Give me that shit. What's up?
The fuck? Hell no.
Puppy?
I'm not puppy.
Puppy!
What the fuck is that?
What? Take my stuff. I'll check it out.
Hey!
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? I got it. That was the wrong thing.
Hell no.
What's stuck back
I
there?
feel
I
uncomfortable.
had a bigger box.
I feel very uncomfortable. Jesus. Let's get some money.
Where the fuck is my bag?
Okay, spooky monsters.
There's nothing in it, dickhead.
I know, just sell anyways. This is so fucked. Fuck.
It didn't give me anything.
Nope. Ah! This is scary as shit. What the fuck? Don't touch
Touch
that.
it.
Do not touch that. Is it perhaps over there? No, there's nothing over there. Wait, there is something over there. It's a web. Okay. I found your bag. There's your
Oh,
bag.
nice, thank you, Mom.
Where the fuck is it? Whoa! Oh! I did not die! It's a...
I'm running. You hit her with a rocket launcher?
Yes!
Don't leave the rocket launcher, sell it.
Oh, okay. I can't. Man, I can't get up. I can't. Wait a second. Now we're talking about. Come on. Come on. No! No! Come on. Come on. Please. Please, please. I wish I had a bag right now. I really wish I had a bag right now. Batman, go! Ow! Fucking electric man. Screw that rocket launcher out me. Ah! No! Hey, yell me out. No! Oh, brother man! Ah! Yes, yes!
You think my butt shaking?
Hey, that was like a circus. I don't know what it is. I want to find it. What's up there? See that?
Big cords that are pulsating.
Suck.
Shitballs.
Cave. Dark cave. This is kind of scary.
No.
What the fuck happened? Oh. This cave looks familiar.
The maze. The maze. There's landmines.
Haven't seen those in a while. Hold up. Back away.